హలో అండి, అందరికీ నమస్తే. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ భారతీ స్కూలింగ్. ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియోలో మనం 5th క్లాస్ ఈవీఎస్కి సంబంధించి సెకండ్ లెసన్ క్లైమేట్ చేంజ్ యొక్క టోటల్ వర్క్షీట్స్ చూద్దామండి. నౌ లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ అవర్ వీడియో. వర్క్షీట్ నెంబర్ 1. Rewrite the following words 2 times. Climate, weather, temperature, floods, wind, fuels, seasons, rainfall, impact, natural. Next, fill in the blanks to complete the definition of climate change with the given words. Climate change means long-term changes in weather, such as changes in rainfall and temperature on the earth. It happens mainly because human activities like burning fuels and cutting trees add harmful gases to the air, making the earth warmer. Next, read the following paragraph and answer the given questions. First question, why is cutting trees not good for the climate? చెట్లను నరకడం వాతావరణానికి ఎందుకు మంచిది కాదు? Answer, cutting trees reduces the number of trees. This increases carbon dioxide in the air and raises the earth's temperature. చెట్లను నరికివేయడం వలన చెట్ల సంఖ్య తగ్గిపోతుంది. దానివలన గాలిలో కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ శాతం పెరుగుతుంది. ఎక్కువగా కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ గాలిలో ఉండడం వలన ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఎర్త్ అనేది వేడెక్కుతుంది. సెకండ్ వన్, హౌ డస్ స్మోక్ ఫ్రమ్ వెహికల్స్ అండ్ ఫ్యాక్టరీస్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ద ఎయిర్? ఆన్సర్, స్మోక్ ఫ్రమ్ వెహికల్స్ అండ్ ఫ్యాక్టరీస్ పొల్యూట్స్ ద ఎయిర్ అండ్ ఇంక్రీజెస్ ద టెంపరేచర్. Third question, what can you do to reduce pollution in your surroundings? Answer, I can reduce pollution by planting trees, using public transport and not burning waste. Fourth question, how can planting trees help reduce climate change? Answer, planting trees helps to absorb carbon dioxide from the air. They provide oxygen and keep the environment cool. This reduces global warming and helps to reduce climate change. Next, multiple choice questions. First one, identify the wrong pair. Answer C, global warming, drop in temperature. Global warming ante temperature increase avadam. So this is the wrong. Second one, nowadays rains are occurring during harvest times. What will be the result of this problem? Answer B, rain during harvest destroys the crops. పంట కోసే టైంలో వర్షాలు పడితే పంట అంతా కూడా నాశనం అయిపోతుంది. థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇన్ స్పైట్ ఆఫ్ కూల్ వెదర్ వీ ఫీల్ హాట్ ఇన్ డిసెంబర్. వై? ఆన్సర్, ద వెదర్ ప్యాటర్న్ హ్యాస్ చేంజ్డ్ ఓవర్ ద ఇయర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, సజెస్ట్ ఏ ఫ్యూ ప్రపోజల్స్ టు రెడ్యూస్ వెహికల్ పొల్యూషన్ ఇన్ యువర్ ఏరియా. ఆన్సర్, వీ షుడ్ ప్లాంట్ మోర్ ట్రీస్ ఇన్ అవర్ ఏరియా. వీ షుడ్ యూజ్ పబ్లిక్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ ఆర్ బైసైకిల్స్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ వెహికల్స్. We should not burn garbage or plastic. Second question, what will happen if we do not get timely rains? Answer, if we do not get timely rains, there will be water scarcity. Crops will not grow well and farmers may face losses. There may be drought conditions and the shortage of drinking water. Third question, how are human activities responsible for climate change? Answer, human activities like burning fossil fuels, cutting down trees, using vehicles, and industrial activities release greenhouse gases into the air. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere and increase the Earth's temperature. This leads to climate change. Next, what is climate? Write any 2 causes of climate change. Climate is usual weather conditions of a place for a long time. 2 causes of climate changes are burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil and gas. Second one, deforestation or cutting down of trees. Second question, climate change is causing stronger cyclones, global warming and increased the pollution. Explain how these changes can affect people's daily life and the environment. Answer, stronger cyclones can destroy houses and crops and cause loss of life. Global warming leads to hot weather and heat waves, which can cause health problems. Increased pollution makes the air and water dirty, which affects human health and harms animals and plants. These changes make life difficult and disturb the balance of nature. Next, worksheet number 2, rewrite the following words. Effects: decompose, indiscriminate, aquatic, eco-friendly, global warming, water scarcity, forest fire, irresponsible, deforestation. Rising temperatures can cause more heat waves and droughts. True. A green world helps reduce global warming. True. Global warming leads to melting of ice and rising sea levels. True. Fourth one, climate change has no effect on plants, animals, and humans. False. Next, read the following paragraph and answer the given questions. First question, name some eco friendly alternatives to plastic carry bags. Cloth bags, jute bags, and paper bags. Second question, how to protect the earth from plastic waste? Answer, do not use plastic items. Use reusable things. Dispose plastic waste in proper bins. Third question, what activity helps increase the number of trees? Planting more trees. Fourth one, what happens to the environment when trees are cut down continuously? Answer, it causes pollution, soil erosion, loss of animals, habitats, and increase in temperature. Next, multiple choice questions. First one, the earth is choking. What do you understand by this? Answer, option B, plastic covers the soil and prevents air and water from entering the ground. Second question, how can we stop floods? By planting more trees. Answer C. Third one, pick the correct match. Answer, option B, less rainfall drought. Next question, how does deforestation affect climate? Answer, deforestation increases carbon dioxide in the air. It leads to higher temperatures and change in rainfall. This causes problems like heat waves and floods. Second question, plastic doesn't decompose in the soil. Suggest two alternatives for the following plastic items. First one, instead of a plastic water bottle, we use a steel bottle or glass bottle. Second one, instead of a polythene cover, we use a cloth bag, paper bag. Third question, prepare two slogans on importance of saving the environment. Save trees, save life, keep our earth clean and green. Next, why should we protect forest and trees? Answer, we should protect forests and trees because they give us oxygen to breathe. They also provide food, shelter, and medicines for many living things. Trees help in reducing pollution and maintaining the balance of nature. Second question, plastic doesn't decompose easily. Why is this property of plastic considered the dangerous? Answer, plastic doesn't decompose easily, so it remains in the environment for a very long time. It blocks drains and roads and cause water logging. Animals may eat plastic by mistake and it can harm or even kill them. It also pollutes soil and water. Therefore, this property of plastic is considered dangerous for our environment and living beings. Next, worksheet number 3. Rewrite the following words 2 times. Factors: grasslands, awareness, garbage, ecological, immersion, segregation, sustainable, reusable, organic manure. నెక్స్ట్ టిక్ ద eco friendly యాక్షన్ యాక్టివిటీ పర్యావరణానికి అనుకూల చర్యను మాత్రమే టిక్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ చూస్ ద రైట్ డస్ట్బిన్. హియర్ ఆర్ 2 డస్ట్బిన్స్ అండ్ ఏ లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ వేస్ట్ పుట్ ద రైట్ వేస్ట్ ఇన్ ద రైట్ బిన్. డస్ట్బిన్ వెట్ వేస్ట్ అంటే బనానా పీల్, లెఫ్ట్ ఓవర్ ఫుడ్ తడిగా ఉన్నది వెట్ వేస్ట్లో వేయాలి. డ్రై వేస్ట్ ఓల్డ్ న్యూస్ పేపర్స్, బ్రోకెన్ గ్లాస్, మన పెన్సిల్స్ కానీ పెన్సిల్ చెత్త అన్నిట్లో కూడా డ్రై వేస్ట్లో వేయాలి బ్లూ కలర్ డస్ట్బిన్లో. Third question, why should all types of waste not be kept in the same bin? Answer, all types of waste should not be kept in the same bin because wet waste and dry waste are different. Keeping them together can cause bad smell, diseases and make it difficult to recycle. Next, multiple choice questions. Number 1, a green club plans to plant saplings. How will this action help a village in the run? Answer B, it balances nature and brings rain. Second question, Which of the following explains the process by which cutting down trees leads to an increase in temperature? Answer option B. Without trees, the ground gets direct hot sunlight. Next, what is global warming? Answer. Global warming is the increase in the average temperature of the earth. It happens because of pollution and greenhouse gases in the air. Second one, suggest two simple changes you can make in your daily routine to reduce pollution in your surroundings. Answer. I will use a cloth bag instead of plastic bags. I will switch off lights and fans when not in use. Next, write the process of disposing of the garbage at your home. Answer. First, we separate wet and dry waste. Wet waste like vegetables peels and food waste is put in a compost bin. It is used as manure for plants. Dry waste like paper, plastic and glass is collected separately. We give it to the waste collector for recycling. Next question. Climate change is a universal problem. Explain. Answer. Climate change is a universal problem because it affects the whole world. It leads to hotter temperatures, melting of ice, stronger storms, and rising sea levels. It harms plants and animals and humans. If we do not take care of our environment, the future will be unsafe for everyone. We must work together to reduce pollution, save energy, and protect nature. Next, third question. You went to a shop to buy grocery items. The shopkeeper gave you the goods in a plastic carry bag. What would you say to him? Answer. I would say, please do not give plastic carry bags. They are harmful to the environment and animals. Please use cloth or paper bags instead. It helps keep our earth clean and safe. Next, worksheet number 4. Rewrite the following words 2 times. Pollution free, environment, solar energy, wind power, resources, protect, decade, prevent, Chipko movement, hug. Next, fill in the blanks with the given hint words. Number 1. Energy sources that do not cause pollution are pollution free energy sources. Second one, the Chipko movement was started to protect trees by hugging them. Third one, using cloth bags instead of plastic bags is an example of eco-friendly living. Fourth one, the Chipko movement helped in spreading awareness about forest conservation. Next, read the following paragraph and answer the given questions. Number 1. Name one pollution-free energy source. Solar energy. Second question. What was the main aim of the Chipko movement? To protect trees and forest. Third question. How did people protest in the Chipko movement? They hugged trees and stopped people from cutting them. Fourth one. What does eco-friendly living mean? It means living in a way that protects the environment. Next, multiple choice questions. Number 1. Ria is going to the vegetable market with her father. To be eco-friendly, what should she instead on take with her? Answer option B. A bag made of jute or cloth. Second one. Samir wants to grow fresh vegetables in his kitchen garden. Instead of using chemical fertilizers, what should he apply to the soil? Option C. Kitchen waste as manure. Third question. Why are solar power and wind power considered better alternatives to fuels like petrol or coal? Answer option B. Because they do not cause pollution. Fourth question. Which of the following is not correct about Chipko movement? Answer option B. Chipko means to cut down trees. Next, answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences. Number 1. Write 2 eco-friendly practices you follow at home. Answer. I save water by turning off the tap while brushing. I switch off lights and fans when not in use. Second question. Why should we appreciate the movements that protect the environment? Answer. We should appreciate these movements because they help to protect trees, animals and nature. They keep the environment clean and safe for future generations. Third question. Why should we not use plastic plates? Answer. We should not use plastic plates because they cause pollution. Next, villagers cut many trees to build houses. What change may happen to the climate of that area? Answer: the area becomes hotter, rainfall decreases, there may be floods or soil erosion, air becomes polluted, animals lose their homes. Next question: write about eco friendly energy sources. Solar energy is eco friendly, wind energy is clean, biogas is useful, they do not cause pollution. We should use them. Next assessment number 1: what do we call the long term changes of weather in a place? Is called option D, climate change. Second one: which human activity is a major cause of climate change? Option B, vehicle smoke. Third one: when trees are cut down, the land becomes dry and the atmosphere becomes hot. What effect of deforestation is shown here? Option C, rise in temperature. Next, a highway is planned through a forest near a village to stop many trees from being cut. Villagers, including children, hug the trees and protest. Which movement and value does this action show? Answer: option C, Chipko movement and environment protection. Next, answer the following questions in 4 or 5 sentences. Number 1: write the effects of climate change on all living things. Answer: climate change causes extreme heat and cold. It leads to irregular rainfall and floods. It affects the growth of crops and animals. It causes diseases in human and animals. It disturbs the natural balance of the environment. Next question: prepare the list of 4 features of an eco friendly home. Answer: we plant more trees around our home. We save water by using it carefully. We use solar energy to save electricity. We keep our home clean and use dustbins for wet and dry waste. Thanks for watching. Please like and share.